Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for SC Corporation car loans in Andhra Pradesh. We'll cover the essential steps and requirements to help you secure financial assistance. This scheme aims to empower individuals from the scheduled caste community by providing support for self-employment through transport services. Let's dive into the details. To be eligible for an SC Corporation car loan, you must be a scheduled caste resident of Andhra Pradesh. Your age needs to be between 21 and 50 years. For income, rural applicants should have less than 98,000 rupees annually, while urban applicants need to be below 1,20,000 rupees. You'll also need a valid driving license for transport schemes. The application process is straightforward and entirely online. You'll need to register on the ABMS portal, which is the Andhra Pradesh Online Beneficiary Management and Monitoring System. After registration, log in and accurately fill out your personal information, Aadhaar details, and choose the transport sector scheme. Remember to upload all your required documents before submitting your application for review by the District Selection Committee. Under this scheme, you can avail car loans up to 10 lakh rupees, with a significant 40% subsidy from the government for cars and trucks. You will typically contribute a small 5% of the unit cost. The subsidy amount is held in a term deposit receipt and adjusted after 2 years based on your unit's performance. For more details and other deals, please check the description below, including a link to a book that can truly change how you think about money.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.